Ever wondered how to make money simple? Today, we're talking about a book that does just that, The Simple Path to Wealth. You're in the right place if you're ready to learn the secrets to financial success without the confusing stuff. We are going to share the top 10 lessons from this book in a super easy way. Let's get started. Lesson 1. Spend less than you earn. Let's break it down further. Think of your income as a stream of water flowing into a bucket. The water represents the money you earn, and the bucket is your budget or the plan for how you'll use that money. Now, spending less than you earn means making sure the water you pour into the bucket is more than the water you take out. If you take out more than you put in, you'll run out of water. In the world of finances, this is a bit like making sure you don't use up all your income on expenses. Save some for the future. So the golden rule here is to have more coming in than going out, creating a reservoir of financial stability. It ensures you have resources for unexpected needs or future goals. It's a simple concept with powerful implications for your financial well-being. Lesson 2. Invest early and consistently. Let's break it down further. Imagine you have seeds, and these seeds represent your money. Planting them early means putting them in the ground when you're young. Now, just like a real garden, you don't plant seeds one day and expect flowers the next. Investing consistently is like watering your money garden regularly. It's about adding a bit of water or money on a regular schedule. This helps your money grow slowly and steadily. Picture it as a tree. When you plant a tree, it starts small, but over the years, it grows taller and stronger. Investing early and consistently is like planting the seeds for a money tree. The earlier you start and the more regularly you water or invest, the bigger and stronger your money tree will become. So the lesson here is to start planting your money seeds early and give them consistent watering. This way, over time, your money garden will turn into a flourishing forest. Lesson 3. Avoid debt. Emphasizes a crucial financial principle. In simpler terms, it's about being cautious when it comes to borrowing money. Here's why it's important. Debt is like a loan. You get money now, but commit to paying back more later. Managing debt is crucial to maintaining financial well-being. Think of your finances as a delicate balance. Borrowing too much can upset this balance, leading to stress and financial strain. By avoiding excessive debt, you keep your financial situation stable and stress-free. It means being mindful of the amount you borrow and ensuring it aligns with what you can comfortably manage in the future. This way, you maintain control over your financial health. Lesson 4. Keep it simple with index funds. Let's delve into this principle. Index funds are like a diversified basket containing a bit of everything in the financial market. They provide an easy way to own a piece of many different investments without the need to select each one individually. Index funds are your solution in the financial world. Instead of picking individual investments, you invest in this diversified basket, giving you a slice of the entire market. The lesson here is to embrace the simplicity of index funds. They offer a straightforward and effective way to participate in the market's growth without the complexity of managing multiple investments. Lesson 5. Understand the power of compounding. Let's explore this concept further. Compounding is like a snowball effect on your money. Picture a snowball rolling downhill, gaining size and speed as it goes. Similarly, with compounding, your money grows not just on the initial amount, but also on the accumulated earnings over time. Think of it as a tree. When you plant a small seed, it grows into a tree, which in turn produces more seeds. Compounding works similarly, with your money accumulating and earning more as time goes by. The lesson here is to appreciate the snowball effect of compounding. The earlier you start investing, the longer your money has to roll and accumulate, collecting more financial cookies along the way. Lesson 6. Embrace the stock market. Let's simplify. Think of the stock market like a big marketplace with many chances to grow your money. When you invest and own a part of this marketplace, it's like becoming a shareholder in different businesses. Imagine it's like having a share in your favorite store. Instead of just buying things, you own a piece of the whole store. Store does well, you get to enjoy some of the success. Similarly, by embracing the stock market, you become a part owner of lots of businesses. As these businesses do better and make more money, you get to share in their success. The lesson here is to see the stock market as a place full of opportunities. By owning a part of it, you become a part of the success of different businesses. Lesson 7. Stay the course in tough times. Let's delve into this principle. Picture the financial journey as a weather forecast. Occasionally, the money market experiences ups and downs, much like unexpected rain showers. Staying the course is similar to holding onto your umbrella during a brief rainstorm. It means not panicking when faced with financial challenges or market fluctuations. Instead of letting temporary setbacks throw you off course, staying the course involves maintaining a steady and patient approach. The lesson here is to adopt a resilient mindset, much like holding onto your umbrella in a passing rain shower. Lesson 8. Save more tomorrow. Let's unravel this idea. It's a bit like making a promise to yourself to set aside some money for your future. Instead of trying to fill your jar all at once, you commit to saving a little more each time you receive additional cookies. Imagine your income is like a cookie dispenser. Rather than taking all the cookies now, you decide to save a portion of each batch for the future. This gradual approach ensures that your jar becomes fuller over time without feeling empty in the present. The lesson here is to adopt a forward-thinking strategy, saving more for tomorrow while still enjoying some cookies today. Lesson 9. Pay attention to taxes. Let's break this down. Understanding taxes is like getting the rules of a game. Think of it as the money game. Think of your income as a batch of money, and taxes are like the slice taken by the tax monster before you get to use it. Paying attention to taxes means knowing how much of your money batch you get to keep for yourself after the tax slice. In simpler terms, the idea is to be mindful of how taxes impact your income, making sure you keep as much money for yourself as you can. Lesson 10. Achieve financial independence. Let's dive into this idea. Imagine your saved up money as a symbol of financial freedom. Achieving financial independence is like having so much money saved that you gain the ability to make choices without worrying about finances. It's similar to becoming the expert chef of your money kitchen, having the freedom to decide what to create, where to go, and what to do. Financial independence gives you the flexibility to enjoy life on your terms, like having a fully stocked kitchen ready for your adventures. The lesson here is to work towards saving enough money so that you can shape your financial future and enjoy the freedom to pursue your dreams. Congratulations, you have discovered the key lessons from The Simple Path to Wealth. If these money tips make sense to you, hit the like button, subscribe for more simplified wisdom, and share your thoughts in the comments. As you continue your financial journey, remember, success can be straightforward if you know the right things to do. Until next time, keep growing those savings, and may your financial journey be fantastic.